Hey, how are you?
Okay, just okay.
Settling every day into okay jobs, okay lives, okay businesses.
But why? Oh yes, just because OP is comfortable? Well, of course, OP pays the bills and gives you home bed at night. But you know what OP is not? OP is not thrilling. OP is not passion. OP is not the reason you wake up every day in the morning. OP is not the reason you go to bed late at night and wake up early in the morning. OP is not the reason you risk absolutely everything just for the smallest chance that something absolutely amazing could happen.
So, are you ready? Yeah, even if you are, who's gonna do that for you? Content is not just the king but the kingdom. Now imagine, under one roof somebody designs your posters that reaches your audience's audience. Somebody creates for you a logo, an icon that transforms your identity to a brand.
Imagine somebody shooting all your videos, designing your websites, because it's not about telling them that you're a rock star, but showing them you're the one. Somebody making you look clear, convincing, and concise.
So fly without wings, dream with open eyes, see in darkness, logo lies, brand yourself.